This is a portable keyboard that connects to multiple devices and not only functions as a keyboard, there is actually a trackpad mouse built right in. So now you don't even have to connect multiple devices when you're on the go, and you can charge it easily with USB-C right here at the top. So it perfectly fits inside your ecosystem. If you're using USB-C everywhere, you don't have to try to get a micro USB A, B, D, whatever it is. And I charged this once, probably about 4 to 5 weeks ago. Haven't had any issues with it yet. It's not giving me any red lights. Having that little trackpad there is super nifty so that you can just use it as a mouse. You can input your numbers there without having to like throw a big clunky keyboard in your car that you're going to connect and then you can't really put it away. I don't know how they've done this. Seriously, it's crazy how they have figured out this locking mechanism for it to bend completely out and then function perfectly coming back in without any damage at all. And as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than a phone, debatably slightly bigger than like the max version of an iPhone, but as you can see right here, not really that big. It doesn't like feel cumbersome. It's not heavy at all. I throw it in multiple different pockets of my backpack and pretty much just keep it there. I don't really need to take it out unless I'm going to be at a coffee shop or somewhere traveling. It's so easy to connect. You just flip the switch on, you hit the function key and the Bluetooth connect key, and then boom, it's gonna pop up immediately. And sometimes on the laptop, there might be a little bit of lag with the trackpad, but when I was using it fluently on my iPad, I didn't really sense any latency or lag at all. Now it is a little bit cumbersome to have to kind of dig into that click when you're gonna select something. You do have to kind of give it some force. You have to click on it. There's a bunch of other products that I can see benefiting you along with this. For example, Moff's portable stand that has 20 different configurations that you see here. I've got my iPad on it. I did a video on that recently. You can go and check it out. There's so many different configurations you can put this iPad case in, or you could use something like the paper-like folio bumper case. I also love this one a lot. Nillkin, I don't know how you did this. It's super incredible. If you want to check this out, I've got it linked down in the description. It is my affiliate link to Nillkin website, but you can also find it elsewhere if you want to. They also have a bunch of other products that you can check out. They have a case with a keyboard already built in for your iPad if that's more of your speed. I like having my iPad a little bit cleaner, a little bit more flush because I'm going to be drawing on it. I don't need the big bulky keyboard case with it, but having something like this, so thin, so small, I mean, I could just fit this in my pocket. If you think it's a gimmick, just try it out. It's not super expensive. You're not going to regret it. Let me know what you think after you try it out. Come back, tell me in the comments, or if there's a different product like this that you like a lot, come back to the comments, let me know. And it'd be super helpful if you subscribe to the channel. That would help me out a ton, and check out some of the other videos, resources, products I have here that could help you on your creative journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.